Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on forgetting Wi-Fi networks on your Mac. This will work on both iMacs and Macbooks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo button at the top left of the screen, and then open System Preferences. From System Preferences, open Network. Select Wi-Fi from the left sidebar and then click Advanced. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to forget and then click the minus button. This will remove that Wi-Fi from the list of known networks. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.